Hi guys, I'm Krina, and as we all know that New Year's is right around the corner and most of us are getting ready to set our New Year's resolutions. Today's video is going to help you do just that. Today I'm going to show you 5 exercises using a resistance band. Resistance bands are super cheap to buy. You won't even need a gym membership since you can do this routine just at home. So without further ado, let's get started. Step on the center of the band and hold each end on either palm. Exhale and curl your hands up while maintaining your form. It can be pretty tempting to just drop your hands quickly, but don't give up just yet. The burn you will feel in your biceps will be totally worth it. Hold the band from the center, place it right over your head and pull down and away from your body till your elbow is in line with your shoulders. Remember to keep your core tight and don't overextend your elbows out of line with your shoulders. Tie the band around your thighs and drop down into a squat position. Take 2 steps to the left and then 2 to the right. Make sure you maintain resistance through each step. Lie down on the floor, bring your legs up to a tabletop position and tuck your chin in to avoid straining your neck. Place the band on your shins and hold the ends near the floor. Keep your abs tight and pull the band as close to the floor as possible. Make sure you don't forget to breathe throughout the range of motion. Place the band on your hips and keep your hands on the ground. Push your hips all the way up while keeping your upper back and neck rested on the floor. Keep the core engaged so you don't overextend your lower back. Maintain the resistance in the band by pushing your arms down to the floor. Remember to squeeze your glutes at the top position and you will definitely feel the burn. So I hope you enjoyed watching this routine, and if you are going to incorporate a resistance band workout in your workout routine, you need to buy this because it's extremely easy to carry, it's super lightweight, and it's literally a portable workout on the go. Stay tuned for more fitness videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time, bye!